In an effort to protect tenants and homeowners undergoing economic challenges due to COVID-19, Governor Andrew Cuomo signs the COVID-19 Emergency Eviction and Foreclosure Prevention Act of 2020, passed by New York State Legislature.
We are working with the legislature. The legislature is going to reconvene this week. We've been working with them on a piece of legislation that will also extend the eviction moratorium.
The act will pause current eviction cases for at least 60 days, while landlords are prohibited from beginning new eviction proceedings until May 1st. The legislation will also help mortgagors facing foreclosure proceedings and protect homeowners' credit ratings due to COVID-19 challenges.
We want to get to May 1st. We'll see what happens by May. But we want to protect tenants. We want to make it simple. We don't want people evicted. We don't want them to have to go to court.
The new act comes as a victory for many who've been fighting towards housing justice. Director on Advocacy and Programs for Met Council Housing, Andrea Shapiro, has been advocating for this and believes the act is a step in the right direction.
It really acknowledges that some people simply can't move because they don't want to die. Right? They don't want to be forced to live with family and put them at risk or put themselves at risk.
According to NewYorkState.gov, tenants must submit a hardship declaration or a document explaining the source of the hardship to prevent evictions. Prior to the new legislation, Shapiro expressed the importance of ensuring New York City tenants know their rights regarding evictions.
Big push for us to make sure that tenants know that their landlord simply can't say you're evicted and leave, and that you have the right to stay in your home right now. No one can change your locks. No one can turn off your electricity. That's illegal. The landlord could theoretically go to jail, can get fined for that. And we are pushing for those fines for bad landlords.
The organization is also pushing for another solution to further protect vulnerable families, as well as nonprofit providers and small apartment landlords.
We're calling on our state legislature to cancel rent and mortgages. And what this really means is providing a fresh start and giving actually money to landlords that need it.
To learn more about the COVID-19 Emergency Eviction and Foreclosure Prevention Act of 2020 and what it covers, visit governor.ny.gov/news. For tips on dealing with landlords and other questions, Shapiro encourages tenants to call the Met Council on Housing hotline at 212-979-0611. Reporting for BronxNet, Kibin, Alleyne.